हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू गायत्री स्टेनो कोचिंग जोन। हमारे चैनल पर आपको मिलेंगी हिंदी और इंग्लिश की डिफरेंट स्पीड की डिक्टेशंस। अगर आपको हमारा चैनल अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, वीडियो को शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। सो गाइस, आइए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन, जिसकी स्पीड होगी 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट।
Start. Madam, there is a strong feeling among the members and they pay a tribute to the Joint Select Committee, whose report is very instructive and contains dissenting opinions which I consider very valuable. Stop. But I have to make some observations because this bill raises vital issues of constitutional importance. Stop. This bill has created doubts in the public mind about the advisability of some of its provisions, and I feel that I owe it to the rule of law and to the profession to which I belong and which I have served for more than 45 years, and to this Parliament that I should freely and frankly express my views and the doubts raised in the public mind so that the government may be in a position to remove those doubts. Stop. Para. Madam, there is first the question of the determination of the age of Supreme Court judges. Stop. So far, no Supreme Court judge has raised any dispute about his age, and I have got a genuine belief that there shall never be a dispute with regard to the age of any Supreme Court judge. Stop. I feel that when future appointments are made, the government will take ample care to have sufficient proof of age. Stop. If they care, they can put down the age in the warrant of appointment, or they can have a declaration or even an agreement. Stop. The question then is, why put an unnecessary provision in this constitutional amendment? Stop. We know that our constitution has been the subject of study throughout the world among the jurists and international organizations, and they will get the impression that after so many years of independence, some questions have been raised about the age of the judges which require constitutional amendment. Stop. That will cast a reflection upon the dignity of the judiciary. Stop. If we find that there is only just a stray case or two in which the question of the age of the judge is involved, will it then be necessary to amend the constitution? Question mark. When there is no case about a Supreme Court judge and no circumstance has arisen which calls for an amendment of the Constitution, we must not do anything against public feeling which may even remotely cast a reflection upon the dignity of our judges. Stop. The provision regarding the determination of the age of High Court judges is important, and I believe that it deserves very careful consideration. Stop.